Welcome to the tutorial. Before we do anything, I just want to say I'm running this on Windows Vista, so it's going to be a little glitchy. I'm also using Cam Studio to record this, so it's maybe a little skippy and the quality's not great. So we just start with an empty world, of course, and we'll add a revolver as the gun. If I can find the Old West directory here. You can see a glitch happening as I scroll. Here we go. So we'll put the gun in, we'll resize it, make it a little bit bigger. Then we'll move it in front and to the right of the camera. Make it look like a kind of a first-person shooter. And then we'll add a person, not wrong directory. We'll add a person to the world. We'll add a skater girl here. And then we'll add a car. Let's add a plain car here. Alright, so we're done adding objects for now. We'll create a new method. We'll name it gunfire. This is the method that will make the gun look like it's firing. So, first thing we do, we click on revolver here in the object tree. We'll drag turn, revolver turn, backwards. We'll put 1/8 revolution. Set the duration to 1/4 of a second, and then we'll copy this, change the backward to forward. So this will make the gun cock back, kick back, like it's firing. We'll create a new event. Say when mouse is clicked on anything. Make a new method. We'll name it kill. We'll create a new parameter. Name it who. Make it an object. And we'll drag an if-else line up here. We'll drag who. So now it says if who equals skater girl, do nothing. And we'll change that to skater girl, move away from camera 2 meters. Then we'll say skater girl turn backwards 2 revolutions. So this will have the skater girl move away from the camera and turn backward. We'll put this in 2 together, make it look more realistic. Also, we want it to set the opacity to 0 to make her invisible, to make her fade away. We'll drag this method into our new event that we created. Select expressions, object on the mouse cursor. Looks like it's working okay. Create a new event. Say when any key is typed, we'll change that to enter. Create a new method. Name it steal car. And we'll say if camera is within 5 meters of car. Gotta do something here real quick. First off, we're gonna drop a dummy at the camera where it is. It's always good practice to drop a dummy at the starting point you want the camera in your world, so you can move it back there quickly when you're editing. So we'll move the camera behind the car to the position we want it when we're controlling the car. And then we'll drop a make sure it's centered. Then we'll drop a dummy at the camera. Move the camera back to the first dummy. And then, while I'm at it, I'll go ahead and create a new event saying, let the arrow keys move the camera. So back to our steal car method, we'll click on camera in the object tree. We'll say camera move to dummy 2. This will make it move to the dummy. And then orient to dummy 2. This will make it the camera's angle the same as the dummy's. We'll set the duration to 0 so it snaps there. And I just realized that there's no way that I know of to change the let arrow keys move event to a different object while the world is running, so if you can bear with me while I figure this out. So I've set the camera to WASD. So we're gonna run the finish method. Gotta change the speed of the camera here. Make it a little bit faster. Set the camera speed to 5 meters per second. That's better. So victim is dead. Works fine. We'll seal the car. Wrong buttons. It's working good. And so everything's working okay.